For more than 40 years, Iran and United States have been locked in a silent battle. Not a direct war, not open fighting, but something very close to a war. Now in 2026, this rivalry reached a dangerous new level. On February 28, 2026, US launched a full-scale war against Iran. The tension did not start yesterday. It goes back to 1979. That year, Iranian revolution changed everything. Iran's new leader overthrew a monarchy that had strong relation with Washington. Overnight, a former ally became a powerful enemy. Before Iranian revolution, Iran was ruled by a king known as Shah. He was supported by the United States, but many Iranians were unhappy with his rule. When the revolution happened, the king was removed. A new Islamic government took power, and the relation between the United States and Iran collapsed. Soon after, the Iranian student took over US embassy in Tehran, and American diplomats were held hostage for 444 days. This event shocked the world. Trust between two nations was broken. Since then, the relationship was filled with sanctions, threats, proxy war, and disputes over Iran's nuclear program. Today, the battle is not just about words, it's about power. In early 2026, US sent 2 aircraft carriers and dozens of fighter jets to the Middle East. Warship moved through the strategic water of the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important oil routes. The message was clear: America is ready. Iran responded with military drills and strong warning. But at the same time, leaders in Tehran said they still prefer diplomacy over war. Warship patrol the sea and diplomats working quietly behind closed doors. Talking have been taking place in Geneva and other diplomatic hubs. Iran's top officials have called the US military buildup unnecessary, but at the same time they say deal is still possible. The negotiators have agreed on basic principle, but there is no final agreement. The tensions remain. Yes, the situation in early 2026 represents one of the most serious conflicts between Iran and United States happened in history. Events include major strike and escalation. In June 2025, US carried out airstrike on Iran's nuclear facilities, hitting a key sites such as Natanz and Fordo. Iran responded with missile strikes on US military bases in Iraq and Qatar. Full-blown conflict. In late February and early March 2026, US and Israel jointly launched a massive military operation against Iran, including missile strikes and airstrike into deep inside Iranian territory. And in these attacks, Iranian media reported the death of the supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei in these attacks. Iran responded with widespread retaliatory missile strikes and drone attacks on US and allied positions in the Middle East. Many US service members were killed and several wounded in these Iran's attacks. The conflict is not just about two countries. Regional power like Saudi Arabia and Oman urging both sides to calm down. And global power like Russia and China are watching closely. Middle East is becoming a part of a much bigger global power struggle. Some even called it world war. If diplomacy fails, the consequences could be massive. Oil markets could be crashed, cities could be damaged, and millions of lives could be affected. Even if governments survive, the region faces a year of instability. And the cost is very high. The story of Iran and United States are still being written. The story is shaped by history, politics, fear, and power. The future remains uncertain, but one thing is clear: peace is less costly than war. So what happened next? Time will tell you. Thank you for watching this video.